Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Here is a 1930s or 1940s Robbins and Myers 16-inch 3-speed oscillating table fan. Catalog number 24004A. I got this fan for my birthday a few years ago, and all I did to it was I painted the cage. This fan has a front cage right here and a back cage back there. Take the camera off the tripod so you can see. Here's that back cage. I would think this fan is from the 1940s. Definitely looks like a World War II era fan, because of the way this motor cover is and the way the blades are, and that base too. That is just cool. Solid cast iron too. You got a 3-speed switch right here. Off, high, medium, low. That is the original switch. This wire, again, with all my vintage fans, this wire is from Vintage Wire and Supply Company. The head wire was also replaced. It's got 3 wires going to the motor, and this is also why I can tell this was a World War II era fan, because this oscillator, you would have used a screwdriver or a dime. That's what I'm going to use. Or I think I'm using a quarter for this. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I'm using a quarter for this. So you just stick this in here like that, and you turn it. If I can get it in there. It's very hard to do when I'm doing this on camera, because you have to, for oscillation, keep turning it. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Believe me, it's very hard. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and plug the fan in and test it out. We're testing at 115.5 the volts right now. Oh my goodness. 60 hertz. Let's go to the amps. Plug it in. Turn this fan on. Alright, I'm going to take the microphone off so you can hear this fan start up. Alright, here it is. We will start on high. Cool startup sound. That is a cool startup sound with the motor.
startup on high. Amps are a little high on this one. .742. That was just the startup amperage. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Let's go medium. Wait, the wattage on high? 0.742. 68.1 watts. 65.4. Turn on medium. .65 amps. 58.7 watts. Let's go to low. Um, 0.65 amps. I don't know why it's rattling. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it off. Spin now real quick, and then I'll turn the oscillation on. Just take a look at how cool this badge is. Springfield, Ohio. Robbins and Myers Incorporated. Springfield, Ohio. That badge is really cool. Let's go ahead and turn the oscillation on. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the oscillation. That's done by sticking this dime in here and turning it well. This is going to take way longer than I thought it was going to be. All right. Well. All right. It is tight. It's not moving. All right. The oscillation is engaged. Let's go ahead and turn the fan on. Start with high again. This fan is absolutely insane. The air movement is just crazy. Now I know y'all are getting blasted with wind noise. Alright, the amps are 0.73 amps. 0.73 amps. It went down just a little bit. The watts. 60 something, 65.4 watts. Let's go to medium. Um, 0.65 amps. $56.7 watts. 0.65 amps. Low speed. .639 amps. Wattage 53.2. Um, 0.639 amps. Very smooth running fan, other than that little rattle. Let's go ahead and do a spin down on this fan, so turn that off. Well, there it is. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.